What's going on, guys? This is Sumner Healy, and this is another video for all the small account traders out there, or the soon-to-be traders. This is for you guys. I'm gonna lay out my 3 tips of what it takes to save money and hopefully even make money in your small day trading accounts. Let's get into it. All right, first off, I need to clarify, I strongly advise if you're below $10,000, save your money. Do whatever you can to start saving up. And I would recommend that you start with at least $10,000, preferably more. But if you're really disciplined, you feel like you've built a solid system, you've been educated, you have a back-tested strategy, well, you might want to go out there and make it happen, and I'm not going to stop you. But I would recommend, strongly recommend, that you at least start with $10,000. Anyways, back to our regular scheduled program. Let's get into it. So my first tip is for all the equity traders. And I know a lot of people get lured into the idea of trading stocks. Most specifically, lured into the idea of trading penny stocks, which there can be tons of money to be made trading penny stocks on the long side and the short side. Although this is not what I do, I know plenty of other traders out there who do it very, very successfully. But the reason I would recommend not trading penny stocks when you have a smaller account is there's really 2 reasons. One, obviously the volatility. They can have huge swings, news can come out, they can get halted, they can gap down. They can do 1,000,001 things, and sometimes that can work in your favor, but statistically there's going to be a time when you're in one of these trades and it's not going to work in your favor. And when you're dealing with a small account of, say, $2,000 or $5,000, that could really wipe out or take out a large chunk of your whole entire account. So the risk is super high with just the volatility involved in these stocks. But most importantly, it's the lack of liquidity. And this is something that I've personally experienced. Is when I first got into trading, I was, saw the marketing, I got enticed by certain people in their Lamborghinis and their Ferraris, and they were showing pictures of them traveling the world, and they were recommending that we invest in penny stocks. And so I followed this strategy for my first year of trading, and what happened is I would have some successful trades, and then I'd venture out on my own and look for certain penny stocks, and I would get into super illiquid penny stocks that I could never end up selling. And this is incredibly frustrating when you have a small account, because you're tying up your capital, you can't get rid of it, and a lot of times these penny stocks they're just constantly falling off a cliff. So most likely you're also losing money while you're stuck in these penny stocks. So beware of stocks that are illiquid. This could really damage your account. Trade with focus. Throw out the whole idea of being a Renaissance man and trying to trade every setup and every strategy. Find one thing that you're good at and do it incredibly well. Exceed at one kind of trading and just nail it. Only go after that. Just put all of your energy and focus towards one style of trading and block out the noise. Now, I'm a big proponent of this way of trading for all size accounts, but I think it's particularly important for the smaller accounts. You cannot waste trades out of curiosity or out of FOMO, just jumping into a random trade that doesn't follow into your setup. So it's so critical that you're trading stuff that really is in line with what you know and what you're good at. So trade where you excel, do what you know how to do really well, and block out everything else. Third point, and this is the most important. I really want you guys to listen up to what I'm about to say here, because a lot of people get in this game with the idea of making money instantly. And that is a possibility. There are anomalies out there who've made tons of cash right off the bat. Usually they don't hold on to that money, but that's a story for another time. If you're getting into the stock market and you're looking to actively trade or invest and you have a small account, you should have no expectations of making money. You really need to detach yourself from the idea of making money and just really focus on trading well. Have that be your goals, just to trade well. The money will follow eventually, but just focus on trading well, with discipline, trading with what you know, having risk management strategies in place. Really just focus. Yeah, really just focus. That's it. Just focus on what you're good at and do it very, very well. And you will see success. It might not be instantly, but at a certain point you will start to gain momentum. So my recommendation is throw out the notion of making money right off the bat, especially with a small account. It's not gonna happen. And if it does happen, you're lucky, that's awesome, but I would not put your energy and intent on making money immediately. So anyways, guys, this is Sumner Healy. If you wanna drop a comment down below and connect, please do. Give this video a thumbs up if you found any value in it, and be sure to subscribe if you wanna learn how to trade. See you guys later.